Let's solve this math problem together. We have 16 over cube root of x to be equal to the square root of x over 2. So for us to resolve this, let's cross multiply to have 16 times 2. When we cross multiply here, we have the cube root of x times the square root of x. From here, 16 times 2 we know is 32, which is equal to the cube root of x times root x. But when we have root x, this is equal to x to the power of 1 over 2. And when we have the cube root of x, this is equal to x to the power of 1 over 3. So we'll be replacing this to have 32 is equal to our cube root of x, x to the power of 1 over 3, times our square root is x to the power of 1 over 2. Now let's recall when you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So we'll have 32 is equal to, we have x here as the base, so we'll be adding the powers to have x to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So we have 32 is equal to x to the power of, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 3, we have 2 times 1, 2. 6 divided by 2, we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So we have 32 is equal to x to the power of 5 over 6. But our 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. So we have 2 to the power of 5 is equal to x to the power of 5 over 6. So to eliminate this power, let's multiply the powers. Let's multiply the power by 6 over 5. We have 2 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of 6 over 5 is equal to x to the power of 5 over 6 further raised to the power of 6 over 5. So when we have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Multiplying the powers here, we have 2 to the power of this 5 cancel out this. We have 6. So we have that this is equal to x to the power of, multiplying these powers, we have 30 over 30. So we have 2 to the power of 6 is equal to x to the power of 1. Our 2 to the power of 6, we have 2 to the power of 6 to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 64. So we have that 2 to the power of 6 is 64. We have 64 is equal to x, which implies that x is equal to 64. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.